Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to presentation about epistemology and its function in the development of science. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jauharotus Shofiyah, number 2006011100005. I am a student department in Matematika Faculty of Science and Technology, State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. And here, I will explain several topics, including definition of epistemology, scope of epistemology, streams of epistemology, object and objective of epistemology, and the last, epistemology function in the development of science. Definition of epistemology. Epistemology is a formation of the word in Greek, namely episteme, which means knowledge, and logos, which means science or theory. So, epistemology can be interpreted as a theory of knowledge. Epistemology can be defined as a branch of philosophy that studies the original source, structure, method, and validity of knowledge. Scope of epistemology. I'm arriving to tell the scope of epistemology, that is, essence, source, and validity of knowledge. Mudir Ahmad detail it into 6 aspects, namely essence, element, sort, pedestal, limit, and target of knowledge. Streams in epistemology. There are several streams to talk about epistemology, including number 1, empiricism, the stream which argues that knowledge comes from experience. Number 2, rationalism, the stream which argues that knowledge comes from reason or ratio. Number 3, criticism, the stream which argues that thought does not need to be tested because there are already boundaries between rationalism and empiricism. Number 4, positivism, the stream which argues that natural science is the only true source of knowledge and reject activities related to metaphysics. Number 5, enthusiasm, is the stream or ideology that concepts intuition, instinct or feeling as a sort of knowledge and justification. Number 6, idealism, the streams of philosophy that views the mental and the irrational as the key to the nature of reality. Object and objective of epistemology. Epistemological object. According to Jurusan S. Suryasmantri, the object of epistemology is all process involved in obtaining knowledge. The process of obtaining knowledge is what is the goal of knowledge theory, and at the same time serve to deliver goals. Epistemological objective. According to Jacques Martin, the objective of epistemology is not the main thing to answer the question whether I can know, but to find conditions that allow me to know. This shows that epistemology is not for obtaining knowledge even though this condition cannot be avoided, but that the focus of epistemology is more important than that, namely wanting to have the potential to acquire knowledge. And the last, the function of epistemology in the development of science, namely to develop knowledge productively and responsibly, provide an overview of thought in the educational process, as a basis for the development of knowledge and as a means of knowing the thought of knowledge, help the development of thinking about a problem, and encourage people to think critically about an event, cause and effect, and etc. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.